Hello. Until now I never use external antennas, Wi-Fi antennas on ESP32 boards. We are always using these built-in antennas and they are working just fine for indoor use. I noticed that most of WaveShare boards has this connector, so in this video I will try to compare a range of these two using internal antennas, and then I will try to connect these external antennas to see will range be improved. We will use this WaveShare 1.64 inch AMOLED touch board, which are very interesting because they look very nice and they are quite affordable for AMOLED display. You can check link in this description, and also this metal part is very nice. There are also some additional hardware as accelerometer or gyroscope and SD card reader, touchscreen, but we will not use most of these features today. Today we will try to use this connector and display just to show values that are sent using ESP-NOW. I made two sketches, one for sender, one for receiver. You can find code in the description. If you like this video, feel free to check my other videos, and if you want to support my work, you can buy me coffee or become my Patreon. You'll find links in the description. Okay, now let's test the range of ESP-NOW using internal antennas. And we are outside, and let's see my setup. So we have two boards. This is board that is sending number. Number is shown here, so 200. And this is board that is receiving same number. So this board is sending number every second and this board is receiving. We will leave this sender board here and we will take a walk and see how far can I get. So after 10 meters you can see our board is on that wooden table. After 10 meters we are still receiving numbers. Let's walk more. Still receiving numbers. Still receiving numbers. Our table is now quite far away, for example 50 meters, and if I go further and here we can see that signal is lost. Sorry about noise because there is construction yard very nearby, but we can see I lost my signal and table is quite far away. Now I will measure distance. So the range of these two boards with built-in internal antennas was about 60 meters. So from this table up to that wall. Okay, let's try to install external antenna, but it will not be so easy. as I thought at first, because we need to solder one tiny resistor which is here. So this antenna is connected through that resistor, and we will need to resolder it and connect it to this connector. And for that I will need my microscope. So on my digital microscope we can see our antenna and our connector, and here is that resistor. So we need to solder that resistor and connect it to this pad. So in that case this connector will be connected to ESP32, not this antenna. Make sure you are using a multimeter to check continuity test, to check this one is properly disconnected, and I will go to soldering now. And you can see that these two pads are not connected anymore, and these two are now connected. So our connector is connected. Now let's connect antennas. And now we can test them. I forgot to mention, you can also find these antennas and these batteries on Waveshare pages. And now we will test a range of devices with antenna. We are at my father-in-law's house. Now I need more range, and it is quiet here. My sending device, I will place it here. And I will try to go far away I can there in field near that bush. So we will see, can it handle 200 meters or 300. I will mark my current location with GPS, and using GPS I will know the distance. And this is a receiver board. I also installed whole setup in this plastic case. Sending device is here, receiver is here. Let's take walk or ride. We are now 330 meters away from sending board, and we are still getting every number. And I don't know where to go to complete this test. House is in the middle of the frame. Let's try to go even further. I'll try to place my device here, so I find new position for my device. This is church is in my village, so I will try to take this road and try to make distance more than 500 meters. Let's try. I will go with car. I'm more than 800 meters away, and there is still a signal receiving. I'm not sure, can you see it, but there is church and there is my device. 800 meters in airline. And I think I will quit now, because now I'm 1 kilometer away from my device, and we can't even see church anymore, but I'm still receiving signal. Not every number, but still counting. So now church is behind me, so we are not receiving, but here it's receiving. So 1 kilometer, way more I expected. Sorry for too long video and sorry for audio problems. I have still breathing problems, but it was fun test, and I spent some quality time outside chasing this signal, and I'm quite impressed. I never expected that I will be able to have 1,000 meters communication with Wi-Fi technology, which is like 3,000 feet, and with internal antenna range was 52 meters. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.